Say, tell, speak, talk. Say, to express with words. I say, you say, we say, they say, he says, she says, it says. The past tense, said. What did she say? She said that she was going to the store. She said, I'm going to the store. I would like to say that I'm very excited. Tell, to give information. It includes a person. I tell. You tell. We tell. They tell. He tells. She tells. It tells. Past tense, told. Did he tell you where he was going? He told me that he was going to the movies. He told me, I'm going to the movies. She tells wonderful stories. You should always tell the truth. Speak, to say something. Communicate with spoken words. I speak. You speak. We speak. They speak. He speaks. She speaks. It speaks. Past tense, spoke. I need to speak with you. We speak English in class. Elon Musk spoke at an important event last week. I spoke with my teacher yesterday. Talk, to say something, communicate with spoken words. I talk. You talk. We talk. They talk. He talks. She talks. It talks. Past tense, talked. I need to talk to you. She wants to talk about the party. He talked for a long time.